What is good? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. You already know what it is and what time it is. Real quick before I get into the video, I just want to say I appreciate everybody watching the last video I did, which was the car show video that I went to, the Rockabilly car show in Vegas. I could tell by the response to it. It was a big hit. Like I said, if you're in the classic cars and that type of deal, it's probably definitely the video for you. One of the first times I did that type of video, not so much just vlogging, but just, you know, a car show or a distinct type of video vlog that was focused on one type of entity in a video. And like I said, man, it seems like you guys loved it, from the views to the responses, and I just want to say thank you for that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody for watching. And right now we're finna get back into our regular schedule program. You know what I'm saying? Because I got, if you can already tell by the name of the video and the title, two collaboration hats that I had to have, and it's gonna be a special shout out to two people because they're pretty much the ones that led me into grabbing these. I definitely had to have these for the collection, and I'm hoping you guys dig them when I show them to you. They've made the rounds on social media, so you've probably seen them already. Don't know if I've seen too many videos on them, but you definitely gonna get to check it out here. So like I said, stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna show y'all how I had to go basically out of state to grab two fitteds, man. So stay tuned, let's get into it. All right, and like I said, we finna get right into it. Now, the first one, I had to go all the way to Cincinnati for. And like I said, I wanna give a quick shout out to my guy, I hope I'm saying his name right, Zach Porta. He's actually in one of the hat groups I'm in on Facebook, 5950 Hat Society. Just a bunch of guys, of course, that loves their fitted hats, you know what I'm saying? I have a couple of snapback people in there, but majority are fitted hat guys. And when I went into the group, I figured that would be the one place to where I can probably get the answer to my question, which is where I could find this particular hat. And I was pointed in the direction of, I wonder if I'm saying it right, of the place. It was called, actually I have it right here, Koch Sporting Goods. And it's actually in Cincinnati, Ohio, which you can tell where I'm going with it because it was Cincinnati, Ohio. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure you know what team it is. So we're gonna get right into it. And when I'm up in here, the package here, and he made it aware to me that if they had the particular fitted I was looking for, they do actually, you can pay over the phone and they'll ship it out to you for a flat rate. And luckily I called there, they had what I was looking for, and just by sheer luck of hitting a win and getting that W, they had one more size 8. Of course, you know that's my size by now. They had one more size 8, so I pretty much picked it up right then and there as soon as he said that. Didn't want to take the time to think about it because I had already been looking for this particular fitted. It was definitely a must-have for my collection. So with that being said, we're gonna get right into it. Oh, they actually have the bill of lading, and they actually have the actual receipt from me paying over the phone, which you see. And actually another thing, with that being said, looking at this receipt here, a lot of places that I've seen it before I actually went through them, I actually got it a lot cheaper because a lot of places were letting it go for $39, for $44, for $42. I actually got it from them for $34.99, and by the time they threw the shipping and everything on there, it came out to about $42.98. So I think I hit a pretty nice win. And as you see, there goes the receipt there, Koch Sporting Goods. And let's just get right into the actual pickup. Oh yeah, see that right there? I actually put it in a nice thick plastic too. I definitely appreciate that, man. As you see, turn back the clock Cincinnati Reds hat. Go ahead and take it out of this plastic because that'll definitely be coming out of there. But yeah, shout out to them for the protection, man, because this is not a flimsy plastic by any means. But yeah, there you see it, man. The Cincinnati Reds turn back the clock. I think it's the I want to say the 1911 Cincinnati Reds. And yeah, this I had to have this for the collection, man. This hat is so dope in my opinion. I saw a lot of people rocking it after they copped it, and I had to have it, man. Like just for the C as far as the calligraphy wise and the design of it. One thing that put me over the top is I like how they have the red berry that goes all the way around the fitted, with a red New Era flag. Goes all the way around the back to the MLB logo, and it just continues around the hat. Has the red button on the top. So to me, it's just a clean hat in my opinion. And if you go under, you have all your regulars there. You have your pricing point there, $37.99. So I got it for $34 because I guess it had already been out for a while. So that was actually good for me. And you see right there, you have your official on-field cap logo, MLB Authentic, your new era, your size 8, of course. But yeah, I was looking for this for a while. So like I said, definitely a shout out to Zach Porter again for pointing me in the right direction. I mean, most definitely, I'm pretty sure they have a lot of Cincinnati Reds stuff on deck. But if I have something very difficult as far as Cincinnati Reds to find, I'm definitely going to go there because smooth process, didn't take long. I say it took about maybe 3 full days to get to me after I ordered it. So that was a good thing. The shipping was flawless, no problems with the purchase over the phone. So definitely shout out to Koch Sporting Goods rather, in Cincinnati for this one. Definitely worth the pickup, man. Had to have this in the collection. This is definitely gonna move into heavy rotation. You know what I mean? So this one, yeah, this one's going in. I say as far as just all my favorite hats, it'll probably make the top 10. Just that quick, definitely going to top 10. It's just a smooth colorway, and I have the perfect kicks to go with this, so stay tuned for that, because I may have something coming up to where this may definitely come out of the fold quick and early out of the gate, so stay tuned for that. You know how I do. And this next pickup, I'm actually going back to my guy in Houston. I placed the order through him before, if you don't remember in my past videos, for the Colt 45 hat. I had to reach out to him again. He had a couple of, I don't even want to say double, even more so a triple up on a certain pickup. And I had to get with him and see if he was willing to part with some. And actually, he picked up a couple just for himself, and then he did pick up a couple to resell. He looked out for me, gave me a really dope price since I shopped with him before, so I definitely appreciate him for that. And as you see, without putting too much on there because his address is on here, but he always sends in the hat club box. It's crazy. My guy Roman Torres in Houston, Texas. So we're going to get right into this one. This one was definitely a must-have too. I know when it came out and it actually dropped, I was at work, so I missed out on it. And once I had actually, I was on lunch break, hit online, just check out what's going on, what's what, like most normal people. This one here, as soon as I seen it, like, hey, everybody, it dropped, this, that, it's already out. As soon as I went to the site to try to get it, of course, sold out, gone. So, again, shout out to my boy, Roman Torres. He took care of me. No problems, you know what I mean? I've shopped with him before, so already knew what to expect. And he definitely looked out, especially pricing-wise, man. So definitely appreciate it. Shout out to you. And we're going to get right into it. Oh, yeah. Just like I expected. I put it in a nice plastic too. Shout out for that. And oh yeah, just what I was looking for. The Travis Scott Houston Astros collab. Like I said, these been making the rounds on the internet. Had to have one. Like I said, it's just some things you just want in your collection, and you just have to have them. Me personally, I had to have this one. So of course, once you see the hat, you'll notice the difference is it has the 3 stars on the top of it. You still have your new era flag. And then once you come around to the back of the cap, you see the wish you were here. Yeah, wish you were here. I don't know if that's technically, he wrote it in his signature and they implemented it on the hat, which I'm kind of thinking they did. But I think it's just a pretty dope hat, man. It's one of those things you just want to have for the collection. And I'm going to be honest here. Like I said, hopefully, you're getting that from this channel. I'm not a big Travis Scott fan, but I just thought the hat collab was pretty dope, so I had to have it. And one thing that's also a first for me with this collab, this is my actual first Houston Astros hat. So, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. So, I actually got my first Houston Astros hat and a collab from Travis Scott that I thought was pretty dope. So, and we're going to go under the cap now. Nothing too much different. Genuine merchandise, your new era and your size 8. Now, me personally, I would have figured they would have threw something a little special in here to where you just knew that it was a collab or something like that, which is kind of what I was kind of expecting. The only thing I noticed different here is they have this tag here, but that's not really saying much. I don't know if you can really see that. It kind of whites out with the glare. But you do have it on the actual tag there. It says Travis Scott, you know, tells you what it is. But, you know, I figured it would have something a little more, just letting you know it was an actual collab, just not on the tag and the receipt saying that it's a collab. But like I said, still a pretty dope cap. It came in 3 colors, I believe, brown, black, and navy. He was willing to part with the navy. I believe maybe he kept the brown and the black, or I think he maybe had another navy, another black for sale. But I still do want to try to get my hands on the brown version, because I think that's more, I don't want to say the original version, but it seems like that was one more people trying to grab. Me, I'm trying to grab it because I have a lot that can go with that I can flip with that colorway hat. This one, I definitely have a lot of kicks to go with this type of colorway. So like I said, if you weren't able to get your hands on this one, I mean, like I said, it's a pretty dope cap. It's different. It didn't deter too much from the actual logo. So, I mean, it's definitely, if you're an Astros fan, and more than anything, if you're a Travis Scott fan, I think it's something to have in the collection. And like I said, I want to try to shoot for grabbing the brown one, because I still am going to try to shoot for the Travis Scott Jordan 1s that are coming out, which I know is going to be crazy and high commodity. Me personally, if I'm not able to grab those on the initial drop, I'm probably not going to grab them. Because, I mean, if you know, like I know, if you're in the kicks like that, the resale on those are going to be crazy. And I refuse to pay pretty much car down payment prices for a pair of shoes. Like, I'll never do it. You know what I mean? I think it's a dope shoe, but I just can't see myself doing that at the end of the day. So, for the most part, again, those are the pickups for the day. Shout out to Zach Porter for the 1911 Turn Back the Clock Cincinnati Reds. And my guy, Roman Torres, coming through with the Travis Scott collab, man. Like I said, 2 dope collabs, man, in my opinion, that I had to have. I was glad I was able to pick them up and put them in the collection. So those are the pickups for today. I hope you guys enjoyed them. All right, let me know if you were able to pick these up down below, if you was able to cash in on them, if you was able to grab the Travis Scott, and actually let me know too if you're going to try to jump on the Travis Scott 1s and grab them. Like I said, I'm going to try to grab them. I'm going to try to hit the sneakers app, you know what I'm saying, see if I get lucky, and just go from there. I'm thinking that's probably the best bet of how I'm going to be able to actually try to grab them. So, like I said, we'll see, man. But those are pickups for the day, man. So let me know down below if you like the pickups, if you was able to pick them up, if you was able to grab the Travis Scott collab, man. You already know what it is, man. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And for the most part, I'm gonna be back. I had a lot of things, like when I was out of town for the car show, I had a lot of hats drop, well, you know, drop to the house. I'm a little behind, but bear with me. I'm gonna try to get them out as soon as possible, like I said, because actually the Travis Scott one, this actually came on Friday. This actually came the week before, so as you see, I'm trying to jump in and trying to catch up. But I appreciate you guys for bearing with me. Like I said, hit that thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Let me know if there's something you want to see or something you want to see me review on the channel. Put it down below. Subscribe if you're not already. And like I said, man, you already know what it is. It's your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you so much. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. I'm going to get out of here and let y'all enjoy y'all Sunday. Peace out, man. I'm going to see y'all on the next one.